Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be playing Tower of Hell, another game of Tower of Hell. So yeah, let's get on to it. I'm just going to show you some clips of it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that, so just get on to it. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notifications so then you get notified every time I post a video. Let's get on with it, yay! And by the way guys, I'm going to be watching on this one now. 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go! Sorry guys, the next one just came out. I hope you really enjoy this and please don't go again. No! Sorry, that's just someone in the background. Sorry. Thank you! Thank you! Thank you so much! Oh my god. Hey, I'm getting after that. Hey! I cannot quit. She's already on blue. She's already on the blue. You guys, I'm really bad at this kind of talk. Okay, I hope you are guys as well. So thank you. So guys, yeah, if you are, then join the squad. I'm noobs at Tower of Hell squad. Myself. And then jump. How do I jump? Wait, what? No, wait, what? How do I jump? Wait, no, wait. How do I actually jump? Yay, this girl just fall. She's moving up and okay, I'm gonna use a grad to call you. That can even be higher. Coins. Oh my god. Oh, does this even help? What's that? I wasted all my money. No! I bought a coin. I bought a coin now, so I'm able to be easy. You got a coin. No, no, you can't buy coins. You can buy coils. No, you can buy coils now. Wait, no, you're using a coil. And I'm not. Oh, no. You cheated. You cheater. You guys! So, parents laughing. Sorry, if you can hear that. Hey, thank you. Just ask someone to close it. Laughing like this. Guys, I'm so bad at this game. What? You guys, if you're new, like me, join. No! I don't like this. Can I quit? Can I go? Check it out. How did I fall? No, I'm at the top. And guys, the first one to the top wins. Guys, go feel the first. not her name, that's her nickname. Her nickname, that's her nickname. Her real name is Madison, I just like to call her that. So I'm just gonna call her Maddie now. So many nicknames for her now. I don't know how to Did you see that? I kind of made it! I kind of made it! Did you guys see? It's her way! This grass hat is like the free people. What the? You can! Oh my god, I'm never gonna do No! Oh shit. Sorry. Just listening to this. Guys, I might be singing like problems like that. Guys, I You guys singing anime songs now. No, you guys! To how the girl to talk! No! That's terrible. Yes, terrible. I feel so sad. Guys, I'm just getting done with this one. Please. Okay, remember? Here one. IDK. Half. I go up to half of it. Orange, guys, sorry. You won! This level. Why are you laughing now? Why are you laughing now? Okay guys, I'm just gonna see. So guys, yeah, you can see me now. I'm just doing the level. And you want to see my gorgeous avatar? I know. Yeah, we are allowed to overthink down. I hope you guys like my pretty hair and no play. I'm just editing them. Okay, after this, I'm gonna edit this and then post on YouTube. Or I'll just save this as a. Okay, you guys, I'm a pro because I'm gonna use Shapiro. No! Well, I'm gonna tell high about something. You guys! It's cheating! It's cheating! Guys, I'm not. Today we had rugby. It was like extremely fun. Like, what the heck? Oh my god, guys, this is so terrible. I don't understand. I don't understand. No, Melissa! Is my jump hitting working? Okay, can you see me jump? Okay. There's some jump, right? Sorry if that really annoyed you. But SMR! Wait, guys. SMR! Sorry, guys, I'm moving around. Move. Oh my god. Guys, so nice. I know it was. Hey, did you guys say it's not nice? Hey, hi. Ha ha. I was on grey. Oh. Shush. Sorry. So. Oh my god. I don't know when you. I didn't even Alright, Peter.
Yes, Mom?
Sorry, Madison, if you're watching this, but yeah. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna talk. Oh my gosh. You guys, while I'm doing this, I'm just gonna tell you a story time about two things. Okay, so you guys all know when you're in class here and you have to miss 5 minutes of your break time saying in silence in class because you guys make too much noise, and then there's this child that has to make these noises like. You make gorilla noises? No. You break our playtime, I break your bones. Like, that's not fair! The other class gets to go out and we're just stuck inside because of this child that's making gorilla noises. Oh my gosh! Mom, no! She left! She's that's her. And yeah. Hey, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. She's on the level. Yeah, also. That's what they can do. That's what this one can do. You guys, I don't know how to edit, but editing what I do. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to leave. I have another role play to do, so yeah, I might upload the role play in Brookhaven before this one. It's like part 5, or is it part 4? Is it part 5? Yeah, part 5 of the famous family. So I'll see you guys next month soon in my Brookhaven video, and I hope you guys all have a lovely half term or like break off work. Goodbye. Behind the scenes of the last part. This is behind the scenes.